morning, all. Well, I'm going to be working on a metal bench with a wooden top. So I'm just going to, it's a work in progress. I got it in my head how to do it, and I'm just going to have to say wing it as I go. But anyway, I'm going to make the base, and then I'm going to try to put a rod across the back of it, lean it back a little bit to have a little slant to the back rod. And I'm not going to have the back covered in, I'm just going to leave it open. But come along as we go on this adventure together, and we'll put this thing together and see where it ends up. It may be 2 or 3 days before I get this thing finished, but I'm working on it, and we'll go from there. Well, I bought this angle, or this 45 angle corner vise. It's a heavy duty thing, and it's allowing me to work these corners much closer together. So I'm having to take out and primarily at times look through here and see where where it's stopping, but I've got it close enough that I'm going to tack that together. That looks pretty good. So the other side is right at it. So with this 45 angle vise, two axis vise, I mean, it works great. It holds things right in there. It gets you a nice square corner, and so I'll go ahead and tack that up. Got her all finished up here, except for the staining of the wood, or the preserving of the wood, and then just screwing it to the bench itself. But what I did this one a little bit differently. I just put a back that only comes up 12 inches, slanted back at a 10 degree from the base, and then wrapped it around, and just going to have the seat on it, and that will do it. Then I got the other bench that has the full back on it, and then this one that has just a little bit different design to it. Paint it up, and I'll stick it on the front porch. Hope everybody's doing well. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for continuing to watch. And here it is, just before Thanksgiving in the virus year. Let's get out and do something, but be safe.